Hi everyone, welcome back to the next video in our Ease of Use series. This one is on QoS. Okay, so we've got a couple windows in front of us here. The bottom one is a terminal into my aggregator. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a copy process that's going to pull a file across the bonded link, this time from the bonder up to the aggregator. So we've got about 5 megabits of total bonded bandwidth that we're dealing with. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start that. Now up top, I'm going to start a ping command. And we're going to see what kind of results we get for latency and jitter on the ping command while we're running that upload across the bonded link. Now we're going to do this without QoS on to see how the link would perform under conditions where we don't have any QoS enabled whatsoever. So this ping is going to run through 100 times, and we're then going to be able to talk about the baseline that we're getting. Again, latency and jitter are the two numbers that we're going to look at. Okay, so this is finished, and we can see that our latency, we hit about 186 milliseconds there. And then for jitter, we're looking at about 30-31. Okay, so now that we have our baseline numbers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to enable QoS here. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to restart that file transfer. Let that get going. And now I'm going to rerun the ping command. I'll note this time that the ping command with QoS on is going to go into real-time queue, whereas the transfer in the window below is going to be in the bulk queue. So if I start that ping, I can already see that it's running through a lot quicker than it did without QoS on. So it's finished already, and let's take a look at the results. Now you may recall when QoS was off, we saw about 186 milliseconds of latency and jitter was 31. Now with QoS on, we see about 48 milliseconds of latency and jitter is down to 11. A huge improvement.